Hello, my dear fifth class children. How are you all? Are you reading textbooks? Are you writing question and answers from lesson number 1 and 2? Are you reading all question and answers from lesson number 1 and 2? Yes, children, already 3 lessons completed. You have to learn all question and answers from 1, 2, 3 lessons. Now coming to the lesson. What is the name of fourth lesson? Nervous system. Once recall, what did I teach you day before yesterday? 2 days back, what did I teach you? What is nervous system? The system that controls all other systems of the body is called the nervous system. It is very important system in our body. Why? Because it controls all other systems of the body. What is nervous system made up of? Children, what is the nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. I come again. Children, this topic is very difficult to understand. Science is very interesting subject, amma. If you put more concentration on the subject, you feel it very easy. This topic is very difficult to understand. That's why you have to keep more concentration on listening. If you did not understand at a time, you have to see one more time. Okay, one more time this video. Okay. If you did not understand at a time, please go through the video one more time. You have to see one more time. Okay, don't feel difficult. Okay, so please concentration, or please put more concentration on the subject, then you feel it very easy. Okay, come to the lesson. What is nervous system made up of? Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain is a very important part of the nervous system. Okay, nervous system controls all our sense organs. Okay, what is the main important part of the nervous system? Brain is important part of the nervous system. Okay, it acts like a works like a super computer. Okay, na, and brain is a remarkable organ. Yes, children, brain is a most remarkable organ. Okay, how many parts it has? Already I taught this topic, no? Yes, children, brain, nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. Brain has 3 parts. Brain is protected by bony skull. Brain is very soft and delicate organ protected by the skull. What is the weight of the brain? 1.4 kilograms. Okay, it is divided by 2 halves, right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Okay, what is the shape of the brain? Walnut shape. What is the color of the brain? Grayish pink outside but inside white color. Okay, now so brain has 3 parts, no children. What are the 3 parts of the brain? Cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. These are all the 3 parts of the brain. Okay, what is the largest part of the brain? Cerebrum. What is the largest part of the brain? Cerebrum. Okay, cerebrum is responsible for learning, thoughts, memory, okay, and so on. It is thinking part of the brain. It is much more bigger than the other animal. That's why man is more intelligent than the other animals. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. I will show one picture. Yes, cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Once recall all. Cerebrum, this is the cerebrum. Okay, this is the largest part of the brain, thinking part of the brain. Okay, now. So this part is much bigger in humans, okay, than in other animal. That's why man is more intelligent than the other animal. Okay, this is the cerebellum. Cerebellum controls all voluntary actions. It controls the, see, this is the leafy-like structure is called cerebellum. Below the cerebrum is called cerebellum. It controls the movement of your muscles and helps you to keep your balance of your body while cycling, while riding a bicycle or cycling, okay, or walking. Okay, and see, this is the medulla oblongata. It is also called base of the brain. What is the base of the brain? Medulla oblongata, and also called brain stem. Okay, brain stem. It looks like a stem. It looks like a stem. Okay, now it joins the brain. See here, it joins the brain to the spinal cord. This part controls involuntary actions such as breathing and circulation. Yes, is it clear? Okay, now the brain has cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. Okay, now what is the next one? Spinal cord. Spinal cord, see here, this is the spinal cord. Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and wire-like structure, thread-like structures are called nerves. These are all the three parts of the nervous system. Okay, what is the next part of the nervous system? Spinal cord. This is the spinal cord. It is protected by, it is back of your body, no children. It is located at back of your body. Okay, na? And it is protected by vertebral column, no children. The flexible rod-like structure inside the vertebral column, that is the spinal cord. Okay, this is the spinal cord. Bundles of nerves connected to the spinal cord, no children. See here, all these are all the nerves. All these are all the nerves. All these nerves are connected to the spinal cord. Okay, now, as the spinal cord links to the brain to other parts of the body. See, this is the spinal cord. It acts, it is the assistant of the brain. It is assistant to the brain. The brain does not function alone. It has one assistant. Who is the assistant of the brain? Yes, you are right. Spinal cord is the assistant of the brain. So the spinal cord is the assistant to the brain, and also it is also called the relay station. Why we call it relay station? It receives the information from various parts of the body to brain through spinal cord only. Is it clear? It also called relay station. Okay, now spinal cord acts as the assistant to the brain, and also called it acts as relay station. Why we call it relay station? It receives the information from various organs of the body and send it to the brain, and also called sometimes it is works like a mini brain. Only some cases, okay, few cases it acts like a mini brain. Okay, it only spinal cord only take actions. Okay, take decisions. Is it clear, ma? So spinal cord is the assistant to the brain. It acts like a relay station. It receives so much of information from various organs of the body and send it to the brain. Is it clear? So spinal cord is the thick bundles of nerves connected to the spinal cord only. Okay, is it clear? All the nerves are connected to the spinal cord only. Only few nerves connected to the brain. Okay, only few nerves. Nerves come from the eyes, ears, nose, tongue are connected to the brain. The remaining nerves all connected to the spinal cord only. Is it clear? Spinal cord, assistant to the brain. And also acts as relay station. It receives much more information from various organs of the body and send it to the brain. Is it clear? Spinal cord protected by vertebral column. It is located at back of your body. Is it clear, amma? Yes. Okay, now, and also listen, it goes down your back and is protected by the vertebral column. Spinal cord acts as a relay station. Okay, what is the third one? What is the third part of the nervous system? Nerves. Okay, so brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Brain has three parts. It is very important part of the nervous system. It controls all other systems of the body. No, nervous system. Okay, the control center of the body is the brain. The control center of the body is the brain. Brain has three parts. Okay, next is spinal cord. Spinal cord acts as the assistant to the brain and also acts as relay station. It receives so much of information from various organs of the body and send it to brain. Is it clear? Bundles of nerves. Bundles of nerves connected to the spinal cord only. Spinal cord acts like a assistant to the brain and also acts as a relay station. In some cases, it acts as the mini brain. It only take decisions. Is it clear, Amma? Okay, spinal cord. Next, nerves. Okay, nerves. Okay, nerves are nerves. Okay, a network of nerves spread throughout the body. Okay, nerves are like a wires or thread-like structures. Okay, connected to all over the body. Nerves are made up of neurons or nerve cells. Each nerve is made up of nerve cells or neurons. So bundles of nerves connected to the spinal cord. Okay, so listen, a network of nerves is spread throughout the body. So nerves are made up of nerve cells or neuron. This is the structure of, see here, this is the structure of, yes, this is the structure of nerve cell. Okay, neuron. This is the structure of neuron. What is called neuron? Nerves are made up of neurons. Each single nerve is made up of neuron or nerve cell. Is it clear? Okay, nerves from the head and neck directly join to the brain, while nerves from the rest of the body join the spinal cord. So nerves carry the messages from the sense organs to the brain. Okay, the brain interprets them and then tells the body the way in which it has to react. Is it clear, Amma? Okay, nerves, the network of nerves is spread throughout the body. Nerves are made up of nerve cells or neurons. Is it clear? Okay, what are the three types of nerves? What are the three kinds of nerves? Each nerve is made up of nerve cells or neuron. Okay, now, so nerves are three types. The three kinds of nerves are sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. Is it clear? What are the three kinds of nerves? Sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Is it clear? Sensory nerves carry the messages. Sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs, from the eyes, from the ears, from the nose, from the tongue, from the skin, okay, to the brain. Sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. Is it clear, Amma? Okay, next, motor nerves. Motor nerves carry the orders. Okay, now, once again, the sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs. How many sense organs do you have? Eyes, ears, 5 sense organs, no children? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are all the sense organs. Okay, now the nerves from the eyes, ears, nose and tongue directly connected to the brain. The remaining nerves directly connected to the spinal cord. Is it clear? Okay, now, so the sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs. Okay, the brain studies the messages and tells you what your sense organs have seen, heard, tasted and smelled or felt. Is it clear? Okay, sensory nerves carry the messages from the sense organs to brain. The brain studies the messages, okay, and tells you what your sense organs are seen, okay. What your sense organs have seen, tasted, smelled or felt, okay, and also tasted. Is it clear? Motor nerves carry the orders. Motor nerves carry the orders from the brain or spinal cord to remaining parts of the body. Okay, and mixed nerves connect the motor nerves and also sensory nerves. Both the ways. Okay, now both the ways. And that means what? The mixed nerves carry the messages. Mixed nerves are connect the motor and sensory nerves. Okay, now so they carry the messages both the way. Okay, that means what? From the sense organs to the brain, from the brain to remaining all parts of the body. Is it clear? Sensory nerves are three types, no? Sensory nerves, motor nerves and mixed nerves. What is the main job of sensory nerve? Sensory nerves means all messages from the sense organs. Okay, send it to brain. Okay, now is it clear? Sensory nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain. The brain study the messages. Okay, the brain study the messages and tells you what your sense organs have seen. Okay, seen and smelled and tasted and felt. Is it clear? Okay, and also motor nerves carry the orders from the brain to remaining parts of the body to through spinal cord. Is it clear? Okay, motor nerves carry the orders from the brain to remaining all parts of the body through spinal cord. Is it clear? And mixed nerves are connect the motor and sensory nerves. Okay, now they carry the messages both the way from the brain to from the sense organs to the brain, from the brain to all parts of the body through spinal cord. Is it clear? Motor nerves, sensory nerves, mixed nerves. Mixed nerves carry the messages both the way, from the sense organs to the brain, from the brain to various parts of the body. Is it clear? Don't confuse. Nerves are three types: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Mixed nerves are connected to the both motor nerves and sensory nerves. They carry the messages both the way, from the sense organs to the brain, from the brain to all parts of the body through spinal cord. Is it clear? Is it clear? Now, what is reflex action? Okay, reflex actions. What are reflex actions, Amma? The sudden, automatic and quick response to a stimulus is called reflex actions. Okay, one example, I will tell you one example. For example, yes, for example, I will tell you one example for you. Okay, what are reflex actions? For example, when we iron the clothes, suddenly you may get shock. Is it clear? Okay, when we iron the clothes, suddenly you may get shock. Immediately withdraw your hand back, no? Yes? Yes? That is the response. That is the response. What is the stimulus in this situation? Iron box is the stimulus. Okay, quickly remove your hand back is the response. What are reflex action? All reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord only. I repeat, what is reflex action? An sudden, automatic, quick response to a stimulus is called the reflex action. Reflex actions. Okay, now so listen, if you accidentally touch a hot iron object, if you accidentally touch a iron or very hot object, okay, what is your response? Immediately withdraw your hand back, no? Yes, children. And it happens so fast that you have no time to think about it. It happens by itself, no? Yes, when we iron the clothes, okay, they may get shocked sometime. Immediately withdraw your hand back. Is it clear? Okay, now, so it happens by itself. There is no time to think about it. Is it clear what I am saying? Okay, so automatic and quick reactions are called reflex actions. Sudden, automatic, unexpected. Okay, unexpected actions are called reflex actions. Okay, now then automatic quick response to stimulus is called reflex action. When we touch the heart vessel, okay, immediately withdraw your hand back, no? When we touch the hot water or hot vessel or hot pan, immediately withdraw your hand back. Hot vessel is the stimulus. What is your response? Withdraw your hand back is the response. I will show one picture. Okay, see here. Here one flame is there. See? Yes, see here children. Here flame is there. Yes? Okay, now when we see here. Is it clear? నేను పంపిస్తాను. Okay children, I will tell you about reflex actions tomorrow. Today time up, I will tell you about reflex actions tomorrow. Today you have to read the textbook. Bye, take care, see you.